welcome to this video, how to buy Photoshop. If you get value from this video, drop a like onto it and let's just get straight into it. So you can see all you need to do in order to purchase and pay for Photoshop is to type into Google buy Photoshop. Then you're going to get a sponsored listing. You can click onto that, or they do have this other listing here, official Adobe Photoshop. So I'm going to click here where it says Adobe Photoshop, and you want to make sure it's from the official adobe.com, because there's lots of impersonator websites that just try to steal your money. So basically all you'll need to do is click here where it says subscribe. And the nice thing about Photoshop is in 2024 is that you can get a free trial. And also if you are a student or a teacher, you can get a discount, and if you're a medium business, you can get a discount. So all you would have to do basically is to click either on the free trial. Most likely if you're trying Photoshop for the first time, you'll do the free trial. But if you just want to outright pay for it, you want to click on to subscribe, and then that's going to take you to Adobe Creative Cloud, where you need to select the Photoshop. So don't click onto this where it says Creative Cloud All Apps, because that's going to be $34 for all of these apps. You can see Photoshop is included, but we don't want all the other apps. We just want Photoshop. So you want to scroll down to this photography plan right here. You can see it's on a discount right now. Instead of $11.49, it's $9.19. That's going to give you Photoshop and Lightroom for that price. So that's the deal that I personally use myself. Or if you choose Adobe Photoshop on its own, I believe you'll pay a bit more. So there it is, $24.14 per month for just Photoshop Online. So you don't want to pay more unnecessarily. Choose this photography plan. Then you want to basically, if you want Adobe stock photos applied to your plan, you can select this box right there. Otherwise leave it off, and then you click on to buy now. The next step after that is you're going to create an Adobe Creative Cloud account, and then you're going to give them all your information, and then that's what's going to charge you for the Photoshop every single month. It is a monthly subscription. So when you click on to buy now, you'll create your account, you'll enter in your credit or debit card information, and then you'll have your Photoshop. Then you can download the application on your Windows machine or your Mac, and then you can start using Photoshop for 30 days for $9.19, and then every month they will continue to charge you until you cancel your plan. Okay, so that's it. If this video helped you out, drop a like onto it, and I'll see you in the next video.